Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to make a group chat on Snapchat. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. Snapchat is great for messaging friends individually, but it's even more fun when you can do it with a group of friends. Let's see how you can easily make group chats with all your friends. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your iOS or Android device, and sign into your account if necessary. Go to the Friends screen by tapping on the word Bubble Chat icon on the lower left side. Then tap the New Chat icon at the upper right-hand side of the screen. From there, tap on New Group. Now go through the friends list below, and tap on the names you want to add to the chat group. When you are done, tap on Create Group. That's it. The group has been created. You can give a name to the group by tapping New Group at the top of the screen and typing in a name. Now you can make audio or video calls, send anything from your gallery, send emojis, play games, or send any messages from here. If you want more options, long press on the group chat. From the pop-up menu, select More. From here you can add more members to the group, adjust the message notifications, clear conversation, pin conversation, or edit the group name. If you do not want the group, select Leave Group. From the confirmation box, tap on Leave. So these are all the things you need to know about creating group chat on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.